very, merry, correct, hurry, direction, arranges, erases, merry, whereas, arranged, hurry, zero, marine, berry, operation, curry, arrive, everyone, training, trip, great, bring, print, training, track, trip, great, tropical, bring, print, product, crack, crawl, break, subtrate, waitress, nutrition, Australia, introduce, compress, operation, betray, breathed. The story he read on the radio were incorrect. Her career in the law firm is permanent. Richard and Brooke took a ride in their brand new railroad truck. Everyone will replace the royal family when they arrive at the airport. The trip to Rocky Mountain will be rescheduled on Friday.